What's up, guys? Dave with Fixing for Fun. Today we are fixing a Smashy Furgison subcompact four-wheel drive tractor with a snowblower. So this is actually my brother's tractor. He has a few rental properties and he's on vacation, and the guy was using it and twisted the snowblower up. They wound up catching something, sidewalk or something, and as you can see, the cutting edge is completely modified. Wants to bet that I got the right size sockets. Yeah, I was gonna bet money I was gonna have the wrong one. Well, anyway, she's all fixed up, threw a couple bolts in, and good to go for the snowstorm tomorrow, hopefully. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.